This is Cherry Lane in Grafton, furnace coil condenser. Got the furnace down here in the basement, secure air filter. Got the pump and the neutralizer down low. Gas I had to bring up so that it wouldn't block the filter with the drip. Condensate runs up over the ducts and down into the washer dryer. I couldn't get behind there, and she said running across was fine. We'll put another clip on this before we head out. Venting comes up and right out next to the deck. Line sets we flushed and reconnected. Out here we got the condenser, right on the other side. Got the venting, intake on the right, exhaust on the left.